How to use Photopea in mobile. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Photopea on your device. If you don't have it installed, simply go to the Play Store, tap on the search icon. Now type Photopea, then tap on search, tap on Photopea and install this application. After installing, go back to the home screen. Now open up the application on your device. Now simply keep all of the permissions. If you want a quick edit, you can find different tools and presets under Quick Tools. Now simply tap on Select Photo, then select the photo. Now to crop the photo, tap on the crop icon. Now select the part of the image you want to keep, or you can also choose from the aspect ratios. Then tap on Save, then tap on Adjust. Now on this page you can simply adjust the colors, contrast, brightness and many more. Simply tap on the feature, drag the slider to adjust and tap on Save. Now once you're done, simply tap on the Save at the top right corner. You can also apply different effects. Simply tap on Effect. Now choose the effect you want to apply. Now select the effect, then tap on Next. You can also access different settings. You can tap on a sticker to add a sticker, or you can simply tap on Paint to draw over the image. Now once you're all done, simply tap on Save at the top right corner. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.